In this guide, we're going over how you can talk to your party in Rocket League Crossplay, essentially using voice chat. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that crossplay is enabled. So from the main menu, go ahead and go to settings. And once you're in settings, go ahead and find the gameplay tab and just make sure that crossplay is enabled. So check that on. If it isn't enabled, you won't be able to communicate with players on other platforms. From here though, go ahead and navigate over to the control tabs, and don't worry, you don't have to like save or anything. It's going to auto save. But once you're on the controls tab, go ahead and scroll down a little bit and you're going to see an option for push to talk. By default, this is going to be turned on. That means you have to press a specific button every single time you want to push and talk. A lot of players don't realize this is enabled. To make it easier, just turn it off. If you have the option on here, turn it off and your microphone will automatically pick up your voice. This will allow you to talk to teammates on PC, Xbox, and PlayStation. From here though, go to the audio tab, just like so. And once you're on the audio tab, you can actually adjust your voice chat volume. It can be turned up if your teammates are quiet. And you can also change your output type. So I would make sure this is on like headphones if you have headphones on, or speakers if you're using speakers. This will match your setup so that you can clearly hear your party. But as soon as you do that, you're good to go. Push to talk is going to be turned off. Voice chat volume is going to be adjusted and crossplay is enabled. You'll be able to talk to cross-platform party members with no issue. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.